Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Lonnie Dow Cosmetics channel. Babe, what's the name of my YouTube channel? What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and we are in my favorite season. We are going to get into the Halloween looks. I'm so beyond excited, okay? Anyway, I want to kick off our Halloween season by doing some really well-known characters. So if you guys have any recommendations of any characters that you want to see, any crazy looks you want to see, let me know below. I am going to try my hardest to post 3 times a week. It'll be every Monster Monday, every Wicked Wednesday, and every Freaky Friday. So if you're excited, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have your little bell notifications, I guess it is. You know, do all the regular stuff that everybody tells you to do on their YouTube. Alright, I love you guys and we're gonna get started right now. Alright, so first things first, I like to take some Elmer's glue and start to glue down my eyebrows. I'm then going to take a spoolie to make sure I'm brushing everything in an upward direction, just to make sure there's not too much texture. I'm later going to take a spatula and smooth them all the way down. Again, that way we don't have any texture showing through the paint or foundation that we're using today. I then like to usually clean up the remaining glue that I might have swiped all over my face because I'm a hot mess like this. I'm gonna just take some remover and start to clean up around my eyebrow area. That way when I go on ahead and get ready to paint, you don't see all that.
What?
Like what?
I don't know, is it glue?
It's just Elmer's glue.
No, but like, look, this.
Yeah, it's just glue.
Alright, baby. Please keep your eyebrows when I come back. Appreciate you.
So now that I'm happy with my brow hairs, I did place some translucent powder over it and cream foundation to make sure that the brow hairs were no longer visible. Typically, I would go in with my skin color foundation or cream foundation to cover up my brow hairs. However, because we are channeling Edward Scissorhands, who's very fair, I did go in with a way lighter shade, as you can see. I'm now going in with Cinema Secrets cream foundation. I did choose one that has more of a pink undertone to kind of give me that flesh tone that I was really looking for, but also making sure that I'm still pretty fair. Now, to set the foundation and also mattify the skin, I did use some translucent powder and a big fluffy brush to spread all over the face. Okay, so now that we have our base done, I'm actually going to go in with the Carly Bible palette. And it's like one of these more mauve-y tones right here that I'm going to kind of play around with for like his bags and stuff. So I'm going to start off with the lighter kind of mauve-y color. And I'm gonna look at my reference photo because I gotta see. So you want to keep this area really nice and light, like right where the waterline is, and then everything else is gonna be a little darker. So I'm more so kind of creating like a teardrop shape. And I'm gonna bring it back down and then kind of just blend everything. Here I took my sponge and I dipped it in some more translucent powder. I wanted to kind of dilute the color a little so it looks like it's underneath the skin as opposed to being on top of the skin. These are supposed to be eye bags and not like an eyeshadow. Okay, so now going through with the lips, I'm actually going to dive into this Anastasia lip palette. And she has like kind of like a mauve-y, right? It's mauve. No, you know what? I'm gonna go in with this like reddish, brownish black here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, Alright guys, so now I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of molding wax from Graftobian to create all of like his scarring and stuff. So I'm going to go in with my metal palette here. And I'm just going to grab like a small amount, nothing crazy. I like to take a smidge of cocoa butter, that way it doesn't like stick too much onto me. You can use Vaseline. I just see people use Vaseline a lot. It's just, I didn't have that. I had cocoa butter. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the face. Now I'm just gonna do the hair, that way we can really embrace him now. Okay, so for the hair portion, all I did was really back comb my hair like crazy until I got the height that I wanted and also the style that I wanted. As you can see, this part here is a little flatter than I actually wanted, so I continued to play with it even after I was done with the video until I got this look here, which I was happy with. All in all, this look is super easy, super inexpensive. Anyone can do it. So if you guys try it, definitely tag me in it. Let me know how it goes. And thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the one dandy look for me, honey.